Well, hello friends. Glad you're able to join us here on our next Butler Family Adventures vlog. This evening we're here at Hurricane Lanes in Destin, Florida. Emma, her friend Callie, and I are going to come over for a fun evening of bowling. So come along and join us. See, it's a very busy night here at the Hurricane Lanes. Monday nights they have a special deal going on where you can bowl from 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. unlimited bowling for only $14. Everything included, including shoes and everything. So we decided to come over here and got here right at about 10 o'clock. But we ended up getting here a little bit late and we're having to wait for a lane in order to be able to start bowling. Besides the bowling alley that they have here, which has 26 lanes, they also have a couple other amenities going on at this bowling alley. They've got a pretty nice little arcade here with 6 pool tables, a couple video games going on. As you can see, a lot of people are in there waiting for their lanes to come up. They also have a nightclub that's attached to this place called Club LA, where they have concerts all the time. Carrie and I have seen a couple concerts that they've hosted here before. It's a really good venue because it's very small. It's kind of a bar setting, so it's a really small venue. You can get really close to the stage. What you think?
That's really lucky for me, so.
You having fun?
I am, yeah.
How you doing so far?
I'm getting tired, but...
You can't, we're only on the second game.
I know, I'm trying to go through it.
I know, that's what happens when you don't bowl that much.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what you got.
Alright.
so far, 114 through 6 frames, which is pretty good. So we're all beat, finishing up our last game. It ended up all right for me, 176. We were trying to get Callie to break 100, but she kept throwing in the gutter. Right, Callie? And what do you think? You had a good time?
Yeah.
So, coming here, there's a couple options to bowl here in Destin, Florida. You've got Hurricane Lanes, and you've got Uncle Buck's Fish Bowl, which is over at the Destin Commons. They only do their bowling by the hour, and it's fairly expensive, about 40 bucks per hour. Here, we can bowl on these special nights, Monday, Friday, and Saturday night. We can bowl unlimited bowling for 4 hours for only $14 per person. So this is definitely the better place to come. But had a good time anyway. Always fun to get out. I'm out way past my bedtime. It's 12:30 in the morning right now, and these girls want something to eat from Whataburger. So I guess that's where we're going when we get out of here. All right, so we had a good time bowling. Now, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and go get a bite to eat. Glad you guys were able to join us this evening. Just another idea, looking for a fun family night out. Come on over here to Hurricane Lanes. Had a good time. Thanks for joining us again, and thanks for watching Butler Family Adventures.